Yes! Alright, I'm at High Limit Lightning Link at Red Hawk. I have $250 in the game. Let's take a $12.50 bet. Oh, almost. Come on, Mansion. We want to get that third mansion, please. Mansion. Yes! 4 of them. Wow. Does that mean the bonus is gonna be extra good? Nice. All right. Hold and spin. Let's go. Oh, yes! We got the hold and spin. Any word would be great. Yay! It starts over. It's the first time that's ever happened to me. Alright, we're in it now. Come on, more. Come on, how about a word? How about anything? Let's save it. Hey, it came fast. That was a $400 total win. Yeah. Oh, it went away. Mansion. Yes! Wow. Should I go left this time? Pull and spin. Alright, 9 games. Lots of camels, please. This one's looking a little more sour so far. Last spin. Hey, it came pretty fast. More. Last spin. So I think we profited, what, like $60? That was fun. That's Lightning Link. All right, I'm at Cash Machine in Lake Tahoe. Just under 200 in the game. Let's get some ting-tings. This is where it all started. 200 right there. That shocked me. That's how we do it. What you see is what you get. Ting ting. Yeah, 20. More. Ooh, red screen, please. Ting ting. Nice, 20 bucks. Come on, 0-0. Ting ting. Yes. Come on, baby. Ting ting. Aww. Oh, that'd have been the time for a red screen. Should I stop up $6 or should I keep going? A few more. That's a gambler over here. Hi. Sure. Can I have a mimosa? Come on, we need a ting ting. Where's the ting ting? It's trying. Ting ting. Yay. Alright, we're in it for broke now. This is how gambling goes. Sometimes I'm good and quit. Sometimes I keep going. Are any of you like that? Ting ting. Come on, anything. Ay. Ooh. That'd have been a good time for a red screen. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. All right, we have a nice even number now. 0, 0. Ting, ting. More. 50, not bad. Ting, ting, right here. It was right up in there. All right, nice comeback. Red screen. All right, nice even number. Where's the red screens? All right, where's my inner Diana? I need 1,000, please. Ting, ting. Ah! Ting, ting. I was channeling my inner Diana. What more do I have to do? Were ya clenching them? There's another channel that does that. Alright. Come on! Well, we've lasted a long time. Ting ting! Yes! Woo! Nice! Alright, we're going back to 2. Give me a red screen. More. After all these months, this is still really fun, this game. It shouldn't be too hard to get 10 times your bet back, right? Get 100. All right, 3 more tries. Last try. Womp womp. What you see is what you get, and here's nothing. Okay? Thank you, Cash Machine. It was fun. All right, I'm at the $100 Wheel of Fortune. I have $1,200 in the game. This is my favorite one ever. Let's get that spin, please. Right there, baby. Right there. Right here, baby. Oh, that 7 would have been 5,000. Yes, Wheel of Fortune. Perfect. 200 right there. I want to hear bing right there. Come on, baby, right there. Yes! 4,000. Ba-da-da-da-da. Yeah. Eee. Thank you. All right, I'm back. What an incredible jackpot. I still have 300 left. Can I get the spin? Perfect. Come on, spin. Last try. Ping! One more last try. All right, 1,200 in, 4,000 out. Thank you. That's the $100 Wheel of Fortune.